It's Sunday, and it's time for another ride. One day I'm gonna get a hitch-mounted bike rack and it's gonna be real quick and easy and I wouldn't have to spend like an hour setting up the rack. Hey guys, guess who's joining us today? This guy. Hopefully he has enough water for the rest of the day. Otherwise we'll have to cut the ride short, but he did well last time I took him out to the trail, so we'll try it out. Alright guys, we are all geared up and ready to go. Milo is looking pretty excited to hit the trails. You ready, bud? Let's go. Good boy, Milo. Whew. I actually feel really good right now. I definitely feel like I couldn't have stopped here, but I have the dog, so sort of have to check up on him every once in a while. You good, boy? All right, let's go. Come here, Milo. Here. Hello.
Thank you.
Yeah, no problem. Good boy, Milo. Let's go. Hello. Come on, Milo. Good boy. Whew. It is hot today. Let's go, bud. Come here, bud. Come here. Hey guys. No, Finch. Have a good one. Maybe my fitness isn't great yet, but those switchbacks killed me. I don't know if it's because I'm carrying the extra weight of Milo's water, or it's just hot, or both, and my cardio sucks. Whew, this is tough today. I have to work through this. Good boy, Milo. This dog has been a trooper. I'm gonna let him rest for a little bit before we go back down the long run where he has to actually run. I think I might cut it short this run. Only because this doggo is probably not gonna last another run. He's such a trooper though. All right, Milo, We're almost home, bud. Just gotta do this one downhill run, baby. Whew. I do feel like my skills are getting a little bit better. I'm a little bit more confident on my bike. My balance feels really good. Yeah. Woo, woo, spoke too soon. But it really does feel good. What used to intimidate me doesn't intimidate me much anymore. Good boy, buddy. And I feel really good about being on a bike. This really, I think this was really my call to fitness, was mountain biking. We're almost home, buddy. Woohoo! Woo, still not ready for that though. Let's go, Milo. All right, bud. Woohoo! Woohoo! Whoop, 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 whoop. Hello. Excuse me. Come on, buddy. Good boy, Milo. There's more people on the trail because it's Sunday right now. I guess Sunday's everyone's fun day. Let's go, Milo. Yeah, boy. Woo! Whoa. Woohoo! Let's go, Milo. All right, boy. All right. Boy, that was sketchy. That was sketchy. Let's go, boy. Oh, there you are. Good boy. All right, bud, let's go. Let's go, buddy. Let's go, bud. Woo! Come on, bud. Let's go, bud. Let's go, buddy.
All right, bud, let's go. We'll go home. Come on, buddy. Some water? This dog is tired. Let's go home. Ready, bud? Let's go. Come on, bud. Good boy. Come here. Sit. Yeah.
Milo and I are back in the car now. He is like, the term dog tired, that's what he is right now. He's the epitome of dog tired. He did such a good job today. I'm actually really proud of him. Milo and I are sort of at this fitness adventure together. He did really great today. I'm really proud of this guy. I can't ask for too much more from him. But yeah, he's super tired. It's time to bring him home. I'm gonna do that right now. So as usual, guys, get on a bike, shred some trails.